Denver, known as the Mile High City, is situated exactly 1 mile above sea level, making it the highest major city in the United States. The city was founded in 1858 during the Pikes Peak Gold Rush and was initially called Montana City. Denver was named after James W. Denver, the governor of the Kansas Territory, in an attempt to gain favor with him and secure a post office. The Denver Mint, established in 1906, is one of the world's largest producers of coinage and is the only mint that does not produce currency notes. Denver has a thriving craft beer scene, with over 150 breweries, making it one of the top cities for craft beer in the U.S. The city is home to the Denver Art Museum, which features a notable collection of Native American art and offers a unique architecture designed by artists like Daniel Libeskind. Denver's historic Union Station, built in 1914, was transformed into a bustling hub with restaurants, shops, and a hotel, revitalizing the surrounding area. The Denver Botanic Gardens span 23 acres and include a conservatory, a sunken amphitheater that hosts concerts, and a tropical rainforest. Denver has more than 200 parks and is known for its emphasis on outdoor activities, including hiking, biking, and skiing in the nearby Rocky Mountains. The city experiences more than 300 days of sunshine a year, contributing to its reputation for a sunny and enjoyable climate. Denver is a major cultural hub, hosting the annual Denver Film Festival and the Great American Beer Festival. The Denver International Airport, DN, is the largest airport in the U.S. by total area, covering 33,531 acres and featuring a distinctive peaked roof design. The airport is also known for its controversial blue horse statue, named Lucifer, which has glowing red eyes and is said to be cursed. Denver has a rich history of jazz and blues music, with famous venues like the Bluebird Theater and the historic Five Points neighborhood, known as the Harlem of the West. The city is home to several professional sports teams, including the Denver Broncos, NFL, Denver Nuggets, NBA, Colorado Rockies, MLB, and Colorado Avalanche, NHL. The Denver Zoo, established in 1896, is one of the oldest zoos in the United States and houses over 3,500 animals from around the world. Denver's city skyline is marked by the iconic 16th Street Mall, a pedestrian-friendly promenade lined with shops, restaurants, and public art. The city is part of the larger Denver-Aurora-Lakewood Metropolitan Statistical Area, which is one of the fastest-growing regions in the U.S. Denver has a diverse population, with a significant Hispanic community and a growing number of residents from various ethnic backgrounds. The city is known for its outdoor festivals, including the Denver County Fair and the Taste of Colorado, celebrating local food, culture, and music. The Denver Museum of Nature and Science offers interactive exhibits, an IMAX theater, and a planetarium, making it a favorite destination for families. The city is a hub for the aerospace industry, hosting major companies like Lockheed Martin and the United Launch Alliance. Denver's Cherry Creek area is known for its upscale shopping, dining, and art galleries, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists. The Denver Public Library System has one of the largest collections of books and resources in the country, with its central library being a notable architectural landmark. The city offers a unique public transportation system, including light rail and bus services, making it easy to navigate without a car. Denver's historic neighborhoods, such as Lodo, Lower Downtown, feature Victorian-era buildings and a vibrant nightlife scene. The city is also known for its commitment to sustainability, with numerous green initiatives and parks promoting eco-friendly practices. The Denver Performing Arts Complex is one of the largest performing arts centers in the U.S., hosting Broadway shows, concerts, and ballet performances. The city is surrounded by stunning natural landscapes, including the Rocky Mountain National Park and Red Rocks Park, famous for its natural amphitheater. Denver's climate is classified as semi-arid, with low humidity and significant temperature variations between seasons. The city's economy is diverse, with key sectors including technology, healthcare, and telecommunications contributing to its robust job market. Denver International Airport has an underground tunnel system that houses automated baggage handling, making it one of the most advanced airports in the nation. The city has a strong tradition of sportsmanship, with a passionate fan base and numerous championships won by local teams. Denver has a vibrant street art scene, with mural and graffiti adorning buildings throughout the city, particularly in the Rhino River North Arts District. The city has a rich Native American history, with tribes like the Cheyenne and Arapaho historically inhabiting the region. Denver is known for its exceptional public schools and a number of renowned universities, including the University of Denver and Metropolitan State University of Denver. The city's annual St. Patrick's Day Parade is one of the largest in the nation, showcasing the city's Irish heritage and culture. Denver has been recognized as one of the best cities for millennials due to its job opportunities, outdoor activities, and vibrant culture. The city is home to the United States Mint, where visitors can take guided tours to learn about coin production. The Denver Coliseum, built in 1952, has hosted a variety of events, including concerts and the National Western Stock Show. The city has a unique tradition called First Friday Art Walk, where galleries in the Santa Fe Arts District open their doors to the public on the first Friday of each month. Denver's climate allows for a variety of agricultural activities, and the city is known for its farm-to-table dining culture. The city is also famous for its chili, with several local restaurants competing for the title of the best green chili in town. Denver has a network of over 850 miles of bike paths, making it one of the most bike-friendly cities in the U.S.